So there are a lot of changes happening at UW-Stout, but there's one you could utilize that you might not know about. There are bike lockers on campus now. Any staff, student, or faculty member can use these for totally free. The first set is right here in front of Heritage Hall, and I'm going to tell you how you can use one of these for yourself. First, you have to submit an online application. Look up the Sustainability Office on the UW-Stout website and go to their page. Click the More Links drop-down, go to the Transportation drop-down, and then click Bikes. About halfway down the page, you will see a bike parking heading. Click the Sustainability Office hyperlink in that section, and it'll bring up the online application. Once you submit your application, the Sustainability Office will reach out to you within 5 business days to let you know if we have any lockers available. If there aren't, you'll be put on a wait list and be notified whenever any lockers open up. If there are lockers available, you'll be notified and sent to the MSC to continue the process. At the MSC, they'll have you sign your rental agreement, they'll give you your lock and keys, and your locker number. You can rent a locker for a semester, the summer, or an entire year. As soon as your term is done, all you gotta do is clean out your locker, return your keys to the MSC, and you're good to go.